Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S22 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and right now we are in the starter photo mode, so here we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video, and as you can see, if you can see this red circle inside the shutter button, it means that for sure we've got the video mode on. So now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got 6 different options from which you can choose, so quite a lot. We've got HD, 2 FHDs, UHDs also 2 and 8K. The differences between them are in frames per second, so we can have 30 or 60. So in order to change the resolution, all we have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So let me pick 8K. And as you can see, we've got the information that we've got the highest resolution possible. What's more, the icon changed slightly, so right now it displays the option which we've chosen. So it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your Samsung Galaxy S22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.